Hello everyone, welcome to Power Electrics. Today we will discuss about some possible MCQ of circuit breaker. Let's start. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe my channel and watch till end. Question number 1. A circuit breaker consists of dash contacts. Circuit breaker has two contacts, fixed contact and moving contact. Here, the correct answer is option B. Question number 2. The voltage appearing across the contacts after opening the circuit breaker is called dash voltage. Recovery voltage. Question B, option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. Ionization in circuit breaker is facilitated by dash. Ionization in circuit breaker is facilitated by high temperature, increase of mean free path, increasing field strength, all of the above. Here, ionization in circuit breaker is facilitated by all of the above. Question number 4. Insulation resistance of high voltage circuit breakers is more than dash. The insulation resistance of high voltage circuit breaker is more than 100 mega ohm. Here, option C is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following circuit breakers has high reliability and minimum maintenance? Here, air blast, vacuum and oil circuit breaker having low reliability and high maintenance. So, circuit breaker with SF6 gas has high reliability and minimum maintenance. So, the correct answer is option B. Question number 6. Arc in a circuit breaker is interrupted at dash. The arc in a circuit breaker is interrupted at zero current. Correct answer is option A. Question number 7. In a contactor, interrupting medium may be dash. Air, oil, SF6 gas, any of the above. In a contactor, the interrupting medium may be air, may be oil, may be SF6 gas. So, the correct answer is option D, any of the above. Question number 8. A circuit breaker under normal operating conditions should be inspected dash every day, every week, every month and once in 6 months or 12 months. A circuit breaker under normal operating conditions should be inspected once in 6 months or 12 months. The correct answer is option D. Question number 9. Which of the following circuit breakers has the lowest voltage range? SF6 circuit breaker, air blast circuit breaker and tank type oil circuit breaker have a high voltage range, but air brake circuit breaker has lowest voltage range. Here the correct answer is option D. Question number 10. The transient voltage that appears across the contacts at the instant of arc extinction called dash voltage. The transient voltage that appears across the contact at the instant of arc extinction called dash voltage. This voltage is known as restriking voltage. When the transient voltage appears across the contact when the arc extinction at the instant of arc extinction is called as restriking voltage because it restrikes the arc. The correct answer is option C. Breaking capacity of a circuit breaker is usually expressed in terms of dash. The breaking capacity of a circuit breaker is usually expressed in terms of MVA, megavolt ampere. Question number 12. The total time for high speed breakers is nearly few cycle, 5 cycles, 1 cycle and half cycle. The total time for high speed breakers is nearly about half cycle. The correct answer is option D. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a part of the circuit breaker? Operating mechanism, a conservator, explosion pot, fixed contact and moving contact. Here, operating mechanism, explosion pot, fixed contact and moving contact, these are the part of the circuit breaker except conservator. Here the correct answer is option B. Question number 14. In circuit breakers, the advantage of using oil as quenching medium is Oil acts as insulator, absorption of arc energy, oil has high dielectric strength, all of the above. Here, oil acts as insulator, absorption of arc energy, and oil has dielectric strength, high dielectric strength. These all are correct in oil circuit breaker. These three are the advantages of oil as quenching medium. So, the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 15. The rating of a circuit breaker is generally determined on the basis of dash: line to line fault current, symmetrical fault current, line to ground fault current, double line to ground fault current. The rating of a circuit breaker is determined on the basis of symmetrical fault current. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Air used in air blast circuit breaker is dash: must be free from moisture, must have least carbon dioxide, must be ionized, none of the above. Air used in air blast circuit breaker must be free from moisture. Here, option A is the correct answer. The next video will be uploaded. Soon. MCQ on protective relay. Stay tuned and watch and share the videos.